Today, we'll be discussing why it's important to change fuel injector hold-down bolts and cylinder head bolts when your engine is serviced. We'll also explore the consequences of not changing these bolts and why repair shops keep reusing them. So let's dive in. Before we get into today's video, if you're looking to keep your diesel engine running at peak performance on the road, be sure to hit the subscribe button. End your search for answers and engine components with our industry-leading technical service and parts featured here at HHP. Also, be sure to check out highwayandheavyparts.com for our online resource library offering additional help for all major heavy-duty makes and models. Hit subscribe, get informed, get back on the road with America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Heavy-duty diesel engines are incredibly powerful and durable machines. But even the most robust engines can suffer from wear and tear over time. Fuel injector hold-down bolts and cylinder head bolts are two critical components that can experience stretching and warping while in service. These bolts are designed to both hold down the injectors and cylinder heads in place to ensure that the engine runs smoothly. However, over time, these bolts can become weakened due to the constant pressure and vibrations of the engine. When these bolts become weakened, they can cause a range of issues for the engine. So, why do some repair shops keep reusing these bolts? Well, one reason is that many people believe that these bolts are okay to be reused. While it's true that some bolts can be reused, it's only a minimal cost for peace of mind using new bolts. In fact, most manufacturers recommend that these bolts be replaced whenever the engine is serviced. When purchasing replacement fuel injectors from Highway and Heavy Parts, a number of them come with new hold-down bolts in the box. However, when cores are returned from injector purchases, we found the new bolts still in the box, which means the old bolts were not replaced. We noticed that when our customers order a new cylinder head online, head bolts are not always added to their order. That's why it's critical to ensure that you're using the included injector hold-down bolt or adding head bolts to your order. So, what are the consequences of not changing injector hold-down bolts and head bolts when your engine is serviced? Compression leakage is the main risk. Compression can leak out under the head or past the injectors, resulting in further damage, having to repeat all the labor and replacing the costly gaskets due to this oversight. This can lead to a range of additional issues, including poor fuel economy, reduced power output, and increased emissions. In some cases, a failed bolt can even cause engine failure. Changing fuel injector hold-down bolts and cylinder head bolts when required or if they are worn and stretched are essential for maintaining optimal engine performance. Not all bolts have to be replaced every time, but they do need to be checked for stretch, wear, and erosion. So if you're having your engine serviced, be sure to insist that your mechanic evaluates your bolts. Looking for a new set of injector hold-down bolts or head bolts? You can call our certified technicians at 844-447-1453, or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube, Facebook, and all our other social media channels to stay up to date on all news and information. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.